Okay, so this is my worm. Right here is the pharynx, and the pharynx is the light-colored organ that is just inside the mouth. Its muscular contractions pass food down through the esophagus. Now, right here, you can see the hearts. The hearts are behind the pharynx and have 5 dark loops wrapped around them around the esophagus. These are 2 blood vessels that serve as the hearts of the worm. Right here is the dorsal blood vessel, and that is a dark line extending from the hearts over top of the crop. Right here you can see the crop, and you can see the dorsal blood vessel right over it. The crop is food from the esophagus that is temporarily stored in the crop. So right there, that whole entire thing is just filled with food. Right here is the gizzard. The gizzard is food that comes from the crop into the gizzard where it is ground up. Basically right here, the gizzard is their digestive system. This long yellowish orange tube is called the intestine. The intestine is a long tube extending from the gizzard all the way to the anus. Food is digested and absorbed here. You can see how the intestine goes from here and it goes all the way down. Right here are the seminal vesicles. The seminal vessels, the light-colored tissue above and around the hearts, produce, store, and release of sperm in the male pores. You can kind of see it right here, but this is the ventral nerve cord. The ventral nerve cord is a long white nerve cord running along the length of the worm beneath it. That little bubble right there is called the seminal receptacle. The seminal receptacle is used for the acceptance of sperm from another worm and eventually arriving at the clitellum. And that's the anatomy of my worm.